You know the struggle. Endless notes, scattered points, and nothing sticks. Manual flashcards? Slow and painful. Now with StudyX's new flashcard feature, just upload your materials and AI will instantly highlight key points, summarize notes, and turn them into memory cards. What used to take hours now takes just seconds. Go to the StudyX website and click AI Flashcard on the left sidebar. It takes you straight to the flashcards page. Here you'll find multiple ways to create your own personalized flashcards. Method 1. Generate via text input. You can just paste your notes, textbook paragraphs. StudyX finds the key info and turns it into ready-to-review flashcards. You can also choose how many flashcards you want to generate, 5, 10, or 20. Once the cards are ready, hit Generate to start immersive learning. Here's how it works. You'll go through each card one by one. Front side shows the key point, back side explains it. After each card, simply tap No, Dig, or Don't Know. At the end, you'll get a personalized summary showing which cards you still need to work on. Method 2. Generate by uploading a document. With StudyX, turning your study files into smart flashcards has never been easier. Simply upload your PDF, PPT presentations, or audio recordings from class, and our AI will instantly scan, analyze, and identify the most important concepts for you. It then transforms these key points into clear, structured flashcards. Method 3. Generate from a YouTube video. Watching a lecture or tutorial video? Just paste a YouTube link. StudyX will automatically extract key points from the video and turn them into flashcards, so you don't have to take notes by hand. It's perfect for visual learners and anyone who studies through videos, helping you review right after watching and boosting retention without the extra effort. Extra option: convert notes directly into flashcards. In addition to the 3 methods above, StudyX can also automatically organize clear and structured notes for you first. After reviewing the notes, you can then turn them into flashcards for targeted practice. When studying with videos, the auto-generated notes come with clickable subtitles, allowing you to jump to the exact moment in the video for more focused learning. Bonus: StudyX now offers a new language translation feature. For language learners, StudyX can automatically translate your flashcards, supporting English, Spanish, French, German, and more. You're reviewing key concepts and improving your language skills at the same time. A total win-win. That's all for StudyX's new features. What else would you like to see? Let us know in the comments.